Action. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is your host, Travel Rockstar. Let's get into it. This video is on the 3DR Solo and the app, and I just wanted to give an update to let you guys know that it's still not available for worldwide download because it's still in the test phase. I need like over 50 people to leave reviews with the Play Store. It seems like a lot of people have just downloaded it and came and blogged on my travel channel on YouTube, but we still got a few more to go. So if you want it, go ahead and email me. The easiest way is to use the Gmail, and then I will give you the link. You click on the link, you become a tester, you'll then get the download link to buy it. You're going to buy it, and then you're going to have to respond to, they'll do your email, and you just keep it for 15 days installed, and then shoot them back. You're happy. I'd really appreciate it. It really means a lot. Anyway, I wanted to get on because there's a bunch of people that were saying that maybe you didn't need my app. Maybe you could just jump straight to the Solex app and take you to OpenSolo 4.0. Well, unfortunately, it doesn't work, folks. That's why I made the app, and let me explain the best that I can to try to let you know why it won't work. Okay, 3DR Solo made two things. They made the app version 2.0 Solo app. Now they made firmware to go on the drone and controller, which is called the firmware version 2.42. The app used to update the drone, meaning they'd ship it with version 6.0. That was the original factory software. It was never designed to fly with it. You had to use 3DR's app to get you to 2.42. Then when they had decided to not really do anything more with that, that was it. They weren't going to go any further with it. They still had it up. They still had it available for download. But Solex decided to make a brand new app, go with OpenSolo. 3DR gave their proprietary software available, so OpenSolo went along with it. And so then it worked seamlessly. You could buy a drone. It was on version 6.0. You could use the 3DR Solo's original app to get you to version 2.42, then buy the Solex app and take you from 2.42 all the way to version 4.0 OpenSolo. So what happened is that 3DR Solo decided to close their doors. At least as far as what I'm explaining is that they cut the download. So the app no longer downloaded the patch to allow you to go fly. So everybody's stuck on Preflight that either bought a new drone or they reset the drone and controller. It went back to the Preflight, to the original version, so they're stuck. So the Solex app won't work. So if you go buy it and you wonder why you're not seeing the available firmware to update, even though you go under the advanced, is because the Solex app isn't designed to see original version 6 that shipped with it. Meaning nothing can go from the original factory version all the way to version 4.0. You need to go to 2.42. So my app only replaces the 3DR version to get you flying. Then if you want to go flying with 2.42, go right. It's got, you need an older phone. You can download the older Solex app for free. Solo app, and you're good. If you want to go to the later version, to 4.0 and beyond, you need the Solex app. And then that app has the firmware feature once you're at 2.42. So the guys that make the video and say, hey, I can see it, is because they're already on version 2.42, and that why the firmware sees one another, and that app is designed to update the firmware. So I hope that solved all the confusion. So the app's available on the Play Store right now for $24.95. You just need to email me. I add you to the list. You become a tester. You get access to download it right after. You download it, keep it on for 15 days, give a review, and then it'll be on for everybody in the world. And all you people that are like tonight, I got to email somebody else to give them the link. Soon it'll be available for everybody. We're almost there. I need to think about 50. I think we're about 40 in. So about 10 more people that buy it and review it and give it the thumbs up. The next time I apply to make it available to the world, they're going to accept me. So again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to help me, make sure that if you've already bought it, go back to the Play Store or the link that I sent you after to say, hey, please go become a tester, even though you've already got it and download it, kind of backward stuff. But at least you can give your feedback. It'll help out getting the app to the World Wide Web. So until next video, peace out.